Zubeen Da has left us. We still cannot accept this fact. It's unexpected, but because of those responsible for his death, the entire state of Assam has stood up and is protesting for justice. Perhaps that's how good people become victims of others' selfishness. My friend Bijoy sent me some video clips last night from Zubeen Da's burial ground in Sonapur, and I'm sharing them with you all. Justice for Zubeen Da. People all over Assam are protesting day and night to ensure the culprits are punished. May Zubeen Da's soul rest in peace. That is our only wish.
What